Retirement. It's a word that conjures images of relaxation, freedom, and the golden years spent doing what you love. It might seem like a distant dream, something for later, something that happens after decades of hard work. But what if later could be sooner than you think? What if you could fast track your way to those golden years? You can achieve financial freedom in less than 10 years, even starting with $0. It's possible. With the right strategies and a disciplined approach, you can build a nest egg that allows you to retire early. It requires dedication, smart choices, and a sprinkle of that get-it-done attitude. You need to be proactive, make informed decisions, and stay committed to your financial goals. Imagine waking up without the alarm clock dictating your day. No more rushing to the office, no more deadlines. Just the freedom to start your day on your own terms. Imagine pursuing passions, spending time with loved ones, and living life on your terms. Whether it's traveling the world, starting a new hobby, or simply enjoying more quality time with family and friends. That's the power of early retirement. It's not just about quitting your job. It's about gaining the freedom to live your life the way you want. Let's embark on this journey together. You're not alone in this. There are countless others who have successfully navigated the path to early retirement. I'll guide you with practical steps, real-life examples, and a dose of that Ramsey encouragement. We'll explore different strategies, from saving and investing, to cutting unnecessary expenses and maximizing your income. Get ready to take control of your financial future. It's time to start planning, start saving, and start dreaming about the life you want to live. Early retirement is closer than you think. And with the right mindset and tools, you can make it a reality.
I feel nauseous, believe me.
The first step towards early retirement, financial discipline. It's the cornerstone, the bedrock, the solid foundation upon which your financial future is built. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't start with a flimsy foundation, right? Financial discipline is about making conscious choices with your money. It's about distinguishing between needs and wants. It's about delaying gratification today for a brighter tomorrow. Embrace financial discipline and watch your financial dreams turn into reality. You want to control your money? It all starts with understanding your financial habits. Then you got to know where it's going. Every penny counts, and knowing where each one goes is crucial. That's where budgeting swoops in to save the day. It's like having a financial superhero by your side. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about empowerment. It gives you the freedom to make informed choices. It's about taking charge of your income and allocating it towards your goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, buying a home, or paying off debt, start by tracking your expenses. This is the foundation of a solid budget. Every dollar that goes out, write it down. This helps you see patterns in areas where you can cut back. Then, create a plan for your money. This plan should reflect your priorities and financial goals. Allocate funds for essentials like housing, food, and transportation. These are your non-negotiables. Set aside money for savings and debt repayment. Building an emergency fund is crucial for unexpected expenses. A well-crafted budget is your roadmap to financial success. It guides you towards achieving your dreams and securing your financial future. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your progress and adjust as needed. Regularly review your budget to ensure it aligns with your changing needs and goals. Stay committed and you'll see the rewards. Want to accelerate your journey to early retirement? It's time to turbocharge your income. Don't just rely on your day job. Explore side hustles or additional income streams. The gig economy is booming. Freelancing, online businesses, driving services. The opportunities are endless. Turn your skills and passions into profit. Remember, every extra dollar earned is a step closer to financial freedom. It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter and leveraging your potential. Section 5. Invest and grow. The magic of compound interest. Investing might seem intimidating, but it's the secret sauce to building wealth. It's not just about putting money aside, it's about making your money work for you. And the earlier you start, the better. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to investing. The longer your money is invested, the more opportunities it has to grow. Enter compound interest, your new best friend. Compound interest is the interest on a loan or deposit, calculated based on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous periods. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it gathers more snow, it grows exponentially. That's compound interest. It starts small, but as it gathers more snow, it grows exponentially. That's compound interest. The power of compounding can turn even modest investments into substantial sums over time. Your money earns interest, then that interest earns interest, and so on. This cycle continues, creating a snowball effect of financial growth. It's a beautiful cycle of growth. The magic lies in the fact that your money is not just sitting idle. It's actively working to generate more wealth for you. Start investing early, even small amounts, and watch your money multiply over time. Consistency and patience are key. The sooner you begin, the more time your investments have to grow, and the more you can benefit from the magic of compound interest. Section 6. Live frugally. Save more, earn more. Frugal living isn't about deprivation, it's about being smart with your money. It's about finding joy in simple pleasures and rejecting the consumerist trap. Cook at home more often, explore free or low-cost entertainment options, negotiate better deals on bills and services. Challenge yourself to save a high percentage of your income. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar invested in your future. Embrace frugality and watch your savings soar. Section 7. Real life inspiration. They did it, so can you. Don't just take my word for it. Kelsey Sluss. Countless people have achieved early retirement with determination and smart financial planning. Take Sarah, a single mom who paid off her debt and built a six-figure investment portfolio in just a few years. Or John, who retired in his early 40s by living frugally and investing wisely. These stories are proof that early retirement is attainable. Let their journeys inspire you. You have the power to create your own success story. Section 8. Your path to freedom. Start today. You've learned about financial discipline, budgeting, increasing income, investing, and frugal living. Now, it's time to take action. Start today, right now. Create a budget. Explore side hustle ideas. Open an investment account. No step is too small. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Embrace the challenge, stay consistent, and watch your financial dreams come to life. Section 9. Claim your future. Financial freedom awaits. Imagine a life free from financial worries. A life where you call the shots. That's the power of early retirement, and it's within your reach. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Embrace the principles we've discussed. Stay focused on your goals, and never give up on your dreams. The future is yours to create. Go out there and claim your financial freedom.